lawyers, and Thumbtack is a pretty known directory. And but the question is, can your practice actually benefit from being listed on this directory? So here are the generalities I want you to pay attention to. So basically, if you're thinking about Thumbtack, I want you to think about flexibility. I want you to think about exposure, but I also want you to think about affordability. Okay, so Thumbtack can be a fast and easy way to get customers and grow your business. In fact, for some people, it has enabled them to start a business in the first place. Okay, but the thing is that if you want to use a Thumbtack for your law practice, you have to really think of it as a lead generation service. Okay, and it's very important. Now, how does it work for attorneys? So before we actually dive into more granular stuff, I want to really explain to you what Thumbtack is as a marketplace, as a lead generation source. So Thumbtack for lawyers can be best described as an online directory that's actually designed to connect consumers with valuable services. Okay, so it's not just when you go on Thumbtack, you're not going to have only law services. You're going to have all kinds of services, including consulting services. So basically, Thumbtack in that sense is different from dedicated lawyer directories in that other types of service providers can also advertise their services on the platform. Now, does that mean you have more competition? No, because in your niche, you are competing with other lawyers who are practicing in your niche, not with all the other service providers. Okay, so the fact that Thumbtack contains multiple lawyer directories should not discourage you from using the platform. Instead, this should really further incentivize you to do so because a large number of people use it weekly. I'm talking weekly. I mean, I'm speaking millions of people. So put it simply, Thumbtack is a great resource that you can use for lead generation for your law practice. Okay, so when you navigate to Thumbtack, you can create a free account for your law firm, and you will be prompted to provide information about your firm, like practice areas, years of experience, location, and you might also add a few reviews, customer reviews, if you have them. Okay, so clients who make their way to Thumbtack's directories will be prompted to answer some questions regarding their services needed. If they select the legal directory, the platform will direct them to a questionnaire designed to determine what specific legal issue they need assistance with. So let me give you a few strategies here. So let's talk about finding customers first. So if you are looking for a Thumbtack for lawyers and you're trying to look for a strategy, first of all, when it comes to finding customers, you got to be methodical. Okay. Now that you understand the basics of Thumbtack marketing for lawyers, let's talk about the more important items such as finding clients, acquiring clients. So to maximize your law firm's visibility on Thumbtack, you want to put like plenty of details on your profile. And because you want to actually allow prospective customers to better understand the scope of your legal expertise and practice area. Again, remember, it doesn't matter where you are at. You're still going to face a lot of competition. So Thumbtack marketing for lawyers allows visitors to find your law firm, and you can proactively reach out to those seeking an attorney. Do this by setting preferences regarding the type of work you do and the location you serve. That's what I meant when I said be methodical. You got to really specify the geography. So after setting custom preferences, you can browse listings of requested projects. If you find a project that catches your eye, you can reach out to the client by paying a fee, and the fee schedule is established based on several factors. And I will talk about that later on. Okay. So when proactively communicating with client, make sure that you set yourself apart from other lawyers. And you can do this by offering a free consultation, for instance. Alternatively, you can answer questions they may have posed in their requested project posting and encourage them to contact your law firm to discuss their plight further. The whole idea here is to use Thumbtack as a lead generation service. In other words, you want to direct the conversation out of Thumbtack and away from Thumbtack and into with your law firm directly. Okay. So what about measuring the competition? So the legal industry is highly competitive. You know that, and especially when you think about it, you have about 1.3, 1.4 million attorneys in the U.S. So that's roughly one attorney for every 300 people. That's a lot of attorneys. Okay. So you have a lot of practice areas represented on Thumbtack. You have personal injury lawyers, family law attorneys, medical malpractice firms, bankruptcy law firms, and divorce attorneys. Okay. You also got to think about Thumbtack pricing for lawyers. So it's one of those things where the like the lead the price per lead could go anywhere from $10 all the way to $150 depending on the niche you're in. So if you want more information, let me know and I'll explain to you in detail. So getting started, I want to really explain to you how to get started with legal marketing on Thumbtack for lawyers. Even if you are new to Thumbtack marketing for lawyers, navigating the platform is all too easy. The good thing is that the platform has a user-friendly interface. It has many features and mobile apps for Apple and Android devices. They have you can see that they have worked a lot on the UX and the UI, the user experience and the user interface when it comes to Thumbtack. So as soon as your profile is live, you can use the platform to connect with consumers seeking an experienced lawyer. So here's how you want to do it. First of all, you want to begin the search. That's step number one. Begin the search. So what happens here is that basically consumers can search for attorneys in their area when using the platform, reach out to law firms that appear in the results, and start requesting consultations or quotes. Alternatively, they can pose questions or create projects that legal professionals can view by conducting their own searches. So this type of searching is how you can get proactive about growing your legal business. It's all about generating leads, and you want those leads to be qualified. You want those leads to be high quality leads because the leads have already asked the question, so they are interested in your services anyway. So from your dashboard, you want to open the search menu and specify the projects you are interested in. Thumbtack has an entire search system dedicated to law firms, so finding prospective customers is really a breeze. And when conducting your search, you must include your practice area, location, and also the availability hours to ensure the results tab includes relevant listings. You want to have relevant listings, okay? Next, you want to use filters. So as an attorney on Thumbtack, filters are your greatest ally. The more filters you apply, the narrower and more focused your search results will be. Remember, you want to have high quality leads. That's the whole idea. That's the whole reason why you are on Thumbtack in the first place. You want to have high quality leads. So by using filters methodically, you'll be able to qualify the leads even further. And this setup will help you zero in on the best job opportunities for legal professionals. And once you have found a few job listings that appeal to you, you can connect with the posters and invite them to hire you as their lawyer. Step number 3, you want to give more details. Really important. Remember, you must pay predetermined fees when connecting with potential customers. If you want to make the most of this interaction, craft a message to draw the recipient's interest. A great option is to offer a free consultation and invite them to contact you via your website to actually set up an appointment. Let me give you a little bit of an evaluation here. So Thumbtack lawyers marketing, what are the pros here? And then I'll talk about the cons later on. So Thumbtack is really popular among law firms for the many different reasons that it really is appealing to other industries, okay? It offers a lot of different benefits. Most notably, Thumbtack is a great way of bolstering your website traffic volume. You can supplement lawyer SEO marketing tactics and law firm paid advertising campaigns on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Additionally, so that's number 1, okay? Number 2, creating a Thumbtack account is totally free for law firms. Sure, you have to pay a certain fee for certain connections, but some customers will contact you directly, will contact your firm directly after viewing your Thumbtack profile. So in those instances, you'll be generating leads at no cost, okay? So you have that possibility to really think about it, and that's really good. And those prospects who choose to contact you through a Thumbtack can also send messages and book appointments, assuming that you have enabled this feature, which I think you should. I strongly recommend you do so, okay? So you want to make it as easy as possible for customers to access your services. So that's advantage number 2. Number three, the like previous customers can leave online reviews. So your profile will become more visible on this online marketplace as you accumulate positive client reviews. You must build momentum on the platform to reap all those benefits. So while it may take several months, this work is a worthy investment of time and resources. And Thumbtack marketing can provide actually a steady stream, okay, of high quality leads when used properly. So that's really good. And the cool thing is you only pay for leads if a customer reaches out to you directly, direct lead, okay, or if a customer responds to your interest, to your interest when reaching out for opportunities. So this helps to reduce a lot of bad leads. The platform allows you to get jobs quickly, which is nice if you are just getting started or need to fill gaps in your schedule. You can see what your competition is charging and do market research before starting your business. It's very easy to stand out if you put some effort into it and or if you are responsive to leads. You can see the price of leads once again before you decide to receive them and fine tune really which leads you receive through the filtering aspect of things. So let's talk about the cons. So I just told you a little bit about the pros. What about the cons? So the biggest drawback to Thumbtack marketing is that it doesn't have flat fees. So the specific fee schedule will fluctuate based on many different factors. So while the platform is always transparent about its billing practices, you will not know precisely how much a bid will cost you until Thumbtack's algorithm determines how many contractors are competing for the project. Okay, so that's a really drawback number one. So you have this opaque system. So drawback number two, you have the sheer volume of attorneys active on the platform. So the fact that Thumbtack accounts are free to create is probably quite appealing to you. However, thousands of other lawyers across the nation share this sentiment and have created their own free accounts. So you are really competing against a lot of folks. Fortunately, you can overcome this perceived cons to make Thumbtack marketing a valuable part of your law firm's digital marketing strategies. How? Well, the thing is that when using Thumbtack, you got to be, going back to what I said, you got to be methodical, you got to be strategic. So what you want to do is you want to closely monitor your budget and be very selective about which projects you bid for. This approach will increase your success rate when reaching out to clients. Additionally, explore ways to make your profile stand out from the sea of options and to actually boost your reputation. You could see the law school you could list actually the law school you attended, reveal when you passed your bar exam to demonstrate how long you have been a licensed, let's say, attorney, and otherwise communicate your relevant experience. So timing is really important, the chronology, okay? But just remember, you do not control anything on Thumbtack, okay? And Thumbtack, as a matter of fact, may force you to drop your prices to compete, especially when demand is lowest and lead prices are highest. So this is something to really think about, and this could be a little problematic for some lawyers, maybe you. Also, one thing I want to talk to you is that let me talk to you about the process here. How does Thumbtack really work? Okay, one thing for sure, Thumbtack's goal is pretty simple: to make hiring a lawyer, a plumber, a handyman, a gardener, a dog groomer, or any local service business as easy as ordering products from Amazon. Okay, so the platform really has done a great job, like fulfilling its mission, and the platform was really sort of popular during COVID. Yeah, recently, folks were home, and a lot of folks were just going on Thumbtack to find services. Okay, so customers visit the website or app and search for pros. Then, based on some filters, Thumbtack displays a list of pros to choose from. Customers browse through the business profiles and choose whom to reach out to. It's basically a search engine with a few key twists. So, as a pro, in this case, as a legal pro, you get listed on the search engine for free. However, once the customer contacts you, you get charged for the lead. You don't pay to be shown to customers. You only pay when they contact you. That's a very nice feature. So as a pro, you get to set your target preferences. This allows you to define exactly which jobs you want to be shown for and in what areas. That way, you only pay for leads for the exact services you offer in the exact areas that you offer them. So the geography has to play an important role as well. Now there are two ways you can land new clients on Thumbtack. Okay, so the first way is direct leads. So lead type number one, you have direct leads. So this is when a customer finds you in the search results and reaches out to you. So you are automatically billed for direct leads. So it's important to set up your target preferences carefully so you only target your ideal jobs. Otherwise, you'll end up paying for a bunch of leads you don't want. And many of the complaints about getting bad leads are technically the pro's fault since they didn't optimize their preferences. Lead number two, you have opportunities. So there is a tab within the Thumbtack app called Opportunities. This is where you can see customers who have reached out to other pros and are actively requesting quotes for services you provide. If you see any jobs that interest you, you can reach out to the customer through the app. So even if you don't get chosen by, let's say, the customer in the search results, you'll still have an opportunity to land the job. So the benefit of opportunities is that you can see the cost of the lead before reaching out, and you only pay if the customer responds to you. So that's really something to really think about. Okay. And when you think about the Thumbtack, do you have background checks required? It's not really clear. It's not really clear if they do background checks on everyone. However, there are terms that state that by using the app, you authorize Thumbtack to do a background and credit checks and to inform customers if you have been checked. So what is our verdict here? So when you think about Thumbtack, well, Thumbtack marketing for lawyers is worth it. And when you think about it, it's a valuable asset that can help you actually acquire new clients and grow your business. However, Thumbtack for lawyers should only be a component of your overall digital marketing strategy, not your sole growth tactic, right? And if you want help leveraging Thumbtack marketing for lawyers and other brand building strategies, you might need a professional law firm digital marketing company. Okay, and let us know in the comment section if you do. Then we'll direct you to one in your area based on your geography. We have a whole database of digital marketing agencies. Okay, so that's really good. So just remember that Thumbtack is not really for handymen, contractors, house cleaners, or dozens of other service providers. It really is also for lawyers, for consultants. Because see, the thing is, if the platform was not really were not really that popular, it wouldn't survive. And it has been survived like it has been surviving for many years. And as a matter of fact, like a couple of years ago, like 2019, 2020, Thumbtack was valued at a whopping nearly $2 billion. Okay, and it's been consistently growing over the last decade with no signs of it slowing. Think about it, $2 billion tells you a lot about the strength of the platform, right? So in terms of popularity, don't worry. It's just that you have to be strategic. You want to really make sure that you are choosing the services that you really offer. That way, you don't end up paying for a bunch of bad leads. Okay, you want to qualify your leads, and only you can qualify your leads through the settings through the filtering that you have within Thumbtack. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section, and we'll just explain further to you. So here's the bottom line to this conversation. I spoke to you about Thumbtack for lawyers. I give you the generalities, the strategies, getting started, the evaluation, the process, and the verdict. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.